International Fastener Show China 2024. Exhibition for Fastener Industry, Exhibition for Fastener Enterprises, May 22nd to 24th, 2024. The International Fastener Show China 2024, co-sponsored by China Machinery General Parts Industry Association, Fastener Branch of China Machinery General Parts Industry Association, Shanghai Ilua Exhibition Company, Ltd., Hanover Milano Exhibition, Shanghai, Company, Ltd., was held at the Shanghai World Expo Exhibition Center. Nearly 300 people from the fastener industry chain celebrities, national institutions, university experts, association leaders, business representatives, and media friends from all over the world attended the opening ceremony of the conference. At the opening ceremony, China's Mechanical Generic Components Industry Association Fasteners Branch and the General Administration of Customs of the Tax Collection and Administration Bureau, Good Schools, on Shanghai University, Zhejiang, High-End Equipment-Based Material Research Institute for Strategic Cooperation signing ceremony. The resultant force to promote the fastener industry new qualitative change and development of high quality. With an exhibition area of 42,000 square meters and a total of 2,020 stalls, the International Fastener Show China 2024 attracted more than 1,000 exhibitors and 19,080 professional visitors from 55 countries and regions, including 982 overseas visitors. Europe accounted for 15.25%, Asia accounted for 57.64%, Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan accounted for 18.31%, North America accounted for 1.87%, Oceania accounted for 1.7%, Africa accounted for 2.57%, South America accounted for 2.71%. The exhibition site has two major exhibition halls, Hall 1 for fastener equipment, wire, mold, and consumables hall, Hall 2 for Fastener Finished Products Hall. The exhibits cover the whole upstream and downstream industry chain of fastener raw and auxiliary materials, main and auxiliary equipment, molds and consumables, heat treatment, surface packaging equipment, design technology, testing equipment, standard fasteners, special fasteners, stamping parts, e-commerce platforms, industry services, information consulting, etc., presenting an annual show of industrial vein and market barometer for the industry. At the same time, a series of fastener manufacturing technology symposiums were held, including lectures on the reform of stainless steel wire, the development progress of bow steel high-grade fasteners, factory industry 5.0 carbon trail monitoring, the loosening behavior of threaded fastening connections and research methods. At the same time, the 2024 Global Screw Industry Exchange Dinner was held at the Star River Bay Hotel in Shanghai, aiming to further promote the economic ties, trade cooperation, and coordinated development of all parties in the region. According to statistics, there are 1,000 well-known enterprises in the global fastener industry chain participating in this exhibition. The exhibition lasted for 3 days, and the crowd was in full swing. Or stop in front of the booth to watch, or talk with exhibitors eagerly, looking for innovative fastener application solutions. Chinese and foreign faces gathered together, the atmosphere was warm, and the flow on the first day of development had exceeded 10,000 people. At the same time, exhibitors generally reflect that this year's overseas professional visitors are particularly large, a record high overseas audience, and are brought with orders. The turnover rate is basically more than 80%. Spot deal, harvest full. The whole exhibition hall is filled with a strong atmosphere of exchange and cooperation, which once again demonstrates the leading position and great influence of Shanghai International Fastener Exhibition in the fastener industry. According to the relevant data, 80% of the exhibitors said to continue to participate in the International Fastener Show China 2025. In the face of a share of trust and affirmation, the organizing committee will live up to expectations, excellent and enterprising, committed to promoting the positive trend of fastener industry, vigorous development. A total of 2025 China Manufacturing New Journey. Summer Flower Road, the reunion of Shenzhen, International Fastener Show China 2025. Or May 22nd to 24th. We still meet the Shanghai World Expo Exhibition Center. Thank you all the way.